Hi everyone, I thought I'd talk to you today about some of the things I've done that maybe haven't been the best things to do, and how this week we're backtracking a little bit. So as a landscape architect, I'm not immune to making mistakes. As a lifelong gardener, I'm not immune to making mistakes. In fact, this one wasn't so much a mistake as just me rushing. And this front verge garden that you can see here was never irrigated. I was in such a hurry to get the plants in and get a garden going that I just got it all in the ground, and then I've spent, the last 2 summers doing a lot of hand watering. So we have been, now that we've cut back the winter garden for spring, we've now been installing drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is my favourite type of irrigation because it's the most efficient use of water. So here you can see I've got some Neta film drip irrigation. It's got small holes in it that allow water to come out at regular intervals, and we've pegged it down with pins. You can see here that we've laid the irrigation to run with the slope. This is because we don't have great water pressure here, and if I had started the irrigation at the bottom, the bit that enters the water stream at the bottom, and then run it up to the top, excuse the car going past, then it would have been trying to push the water uphill. So initially I thought, let's do the water this way, and then I was thinking, that's not going to work, because up here is going to be a bit challenging because we're going to be pushing the water uphill. So that's why we have gone with what I would say is with the contours, so with the topography. And you can see that we have the end cap down here. The other thing to take note of when you're laying your irrigation is to think about the soil type that you have. We have spaced these roughly around 40 centimetres apart. We have beautiful volcanic soils here, which are, moisture retaining. But if you were on sandy soils, then you'd need to have them closer together because you're just not going to get that water retention. So next time you are doing a garden, have a think about what you need to do to make it a long-term, sustainable project for you. And that often means how much time you're going to spend hand watering. Now let's go over here and see what we've done on a finished bed. So here's the finished bed. We've already mulched over the top with mushroom compost, which is one of my favorites. And you can see down here, here's the end cap. I'm going to make some sort of, I'll put a peg or something like that so that we never lose that. That allows me to flush those lines of irrigation at the end of winter when we're doing our jobs, and just flush out any debris that might be in there. You can see here, some of them have gone over this silky fleece stachys or a lamb's ear. That'll just grow through it in time. It looks a little bit messy now, but if I pin it down, it'll grow through. And we have a garden that is beautifully ready for the warmer months. It's got irrigation. We've topped up that irrigation with mulch or mushroom compost that I like to use as my mulch. And basically we are ready to get going. There's another big pile of mushroom compost there, and that's a job for another day.